Even this amount of beer can't break this keyboard. With IP32 water resistance and stunning 10-zone RGB illumination, it's perfect for any gamer.
Just imagine that this happened to you. How would you feel like? Throwing all those down on the floor. Embarrassing. Now that was a great hook, right? Great hook for a video. Imagine what it could do for you. All you have to do is to copy the link, paste it inside of this box here, click on submit button, and the AI is going to do the work. Also, you don't have to be affiliate marketer. You can just be content creator, and you can just use these videos in order to get more views for yourself. And guess where I got it from? I got it from VidAU. So it is VidAU. VidAU.ai is generating perfect video ads for social media creators, affiliate marketers, e-commerce owners, you name it. And it's the new feature that everybody is talking about, and this is the viral hook. I'm going to lead you through it. All you have to do is to head over to VidAU.ai and start yourself with a free trial. That's the first step. You have a link down there, free trial. You don't have to pay for it unless you see it's good for you. Trust me, it is. This is how it looks like on the inside. This is your creative center, and you've got a lot of suggestions here and a lot of examples of what people did before you. But here is the new feature, viral hooks. And this is the one that I've showed you. It's so good. But there's numerous suggestions, and more than 10,000, right? More than 10,000 of these are available for you on the platform. And I don't even have to say to you how important this is to grab people's attention. And these viral hooks are all because of the action. You see the action in all of these. It's just too interesting. It's a scroll stopper, right? Each one of these is a scroll stopper for people because you see there's a certain tense situation where people are in trouble or something. This works. And this is great way for you to grab the attention and move that attention towards your product. For example, let me just show you this one. This one is good as well. So it scrolls down and then the fireworks, and there's like a lot of these. This one I actually hate, so prepare yourself. You know, this is going to just come your way, but I just want to show you how it looks like. So this baseball is just hitting you in the face, and you're like, oh, what happened? But then the product or something that you want comes after it, right? So it's really good. What do you want to do with this? Well, you want to hook people. You want to sell your product. Or if you're an affiliate marketer, you just want to grab that attention. AI is simplifying the process, and even for beginners, it's really easy to, just get your way around it. And what I like about this one is that you can favorite each one of these. If you're just like looking for something special, you can favorite. If you like something, you just favorite. And then you can just head over to your creative center here. And this is the place where you put your URLs. So this is one option, one feature on VidAU where you can just put the link from Amazon, from Etsy, from Shopify, whatever, and it'll create the ad for you, right? The AI is going to do that. Also, you've got description to video, you've got avatars to video, and you've got templates to video. Once more, the link is down there. Free trial for yourself. Use it. Just play with it, and you'll see the power of it. Here in the ads inspiration, you can see what other people did, and you can just try to recreate something. But if you, for example, wanted to create an ad for this keyboard, all you have to do is to copy the link, paste it inside of this box here, click on submit button, and the AI is going to do the work. And as you can see, what I really love about this one is that it takes all the descriptions and all the videos and pictures that are already on the Amazon, right? So all this info that is here, VidAU takes it. And from here, you can choose which one of these it'll use in order to create the ad for you, right? If you don't like certain video or picture, you just click on X. Are you sure? Confirm. And when you're satisfied with it, here it is, viral hooks. This is what we were talking about. This is the new feature. And right away, you'll see your favorite ones here. I like the beer one. I'll use it. And of course, then you just proceed to be creative. For example, if these, the beer, it spills down, what would happen if this happened to your keyboard, right? But luckily, you have a keyboard that is water resistant, right? So you see, it says right here, IP32 water resistant. Liquid spills, whatever. This is a great hook for a product like this. Just click here on the aspect ratio if you want to make this for TikTok, Instagram, whatever, or if you want to use a standard version. Video length is here. Objective can be traffic, app installs, conversions. I'll just use product sales for this one. Click on the generate button, and of course, just wait it out. It's pretty fast though. And this is what you get. On the left here, you see the scripts, the versions of it, and on the right here, you see the 3 versions of it. But first of all, these are previews. As you can see, complete lip sync, and all the other things are going to be perfect once you click on the render button. Now, do have in mind that you can change everything inside of this one. Simply click on the edit button, which is located here, and here you can choose to move the avatar wherever you'd like it to be. You can change the script, you can change the captions, and of course, you can choose the avatars, which are located here. If you want to change the voice, here it is. You just change the voiceover for it, choose the avatar. You can choose the background music by clicking on this button here. In fact, everything is changeable, right? And of course, you can add the hooks. And when you click on back, here you can change the script. So this is what I did. I changed the first sentence to match that viral hook that I found, and I played this to the water-resistant part, the water-resistant feature of the keyboard that I was using. So let's see the end result once more.
Even this amount of beer can't break this keyboard. With IP32 water resistance and stunning 10-zone RGB illumination, it's perfect for any gamer. Don't miss out. Grab yours now and elevate your gaming experience.
Once more, the link is down there. Free trial. Just try it out, right? VidAU.ai. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.